Hello friends, welcome to Jainam software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can use the trial version. So, this is our website. You can go to the demo and just click on the new user registration. So here you need to mention all the details. For example, name, mobile number, then email address and password. You can generate a new password and just write here code and just click to agree. So if you have already registered, the message will come like this and you need to just WhatsApp on the given number, or you can try with the new email address. So you can use our trial version for 15 days and you can call on this number 9403180993. So thank you friends for watching this video. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube.